In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a Microsoft Access database and create multiple users. We're going to take a single Access file and separate it into a backend that holds your tables and data, and a front end that contains your forms, queries, reports, and macros. This setup is the standard way to let multiple people use the same data at the same time while keeping the interface fast and easier to maintain. Start by opening Microsoft Access. Once Access is up, open your original database file on your local computer. It's best if no one else is using the file right now, and make sure you have permission to save changes. If your database prompts you to enable content, go ahead and enable it so the tools we need are available. Next, look to the ribbon at the top and switch to the Database Tools tab. This tab contains utilities for restructuring and moving data. In the Move Data group, click Access Database. That launches the Database Splitter wizard, which guides you through the process. In the wizard, choose Split Database. When you do this, Access prepares to create a new backend file that will store your tables. Your current file will become the front end and will automatically link to those tables. When the dialog asks for a file name and location for the backend, give it a clear descriptive name so it's easy to identify. Then select a shared network location for the backend file. Pick a reliable network folder that every user can reach and confirm that users have read and write permissions there. Consistency matters here. If your team uses mapped drives, make sure everyone uses the same drive letter or a common UNC path so links stay intact. Click Split to proceed. Access will create the backend file, move your tables into it, and replace the original tables in your front end with linked tables. When you see the confirmation message, click OK. At this point, your database is officially split. To finish, distribute the front end to your users. Give each person their own local copy of the front-end file. Do not share a single front end from the network, as that hurts performance and can cause corruption. If anyone's links don't resolve automatically, this can happen if the path differs. Open the link table manager in the front end and update the links to point to the back end on the shared location. After that, users can open their front end and everyone will work with the same central data securely and efficiently. That's it. Your Access database is now split and ready for multiple users.